Now we can publish our package. For that, I will open the integrated terminal in our core. And first we need to install the required package. So npm install, it will install all the required package to create a bundle that we can publish. Then I will run npm run build. And it will build all the files in our dist folder. You can see we have the CSS file, TS file, and all other JS file that we have defined in our rollup config. Now we have everything ready. We can write two commands and it will work. So first is npm login. If you don't have npm account, you will run this command. It will open, you will open a browser, login, and once you log in, you come back here and run this command, npm publish access public. If you run this, your package will be published. I have already published it, so I'm not going to run this command, but if you run it, it will be published on your npm account. So if you do this, you will have your npm package published successfully. And once you publish, you will be able to access it, and you can say this is my black and white DatePicker already published and with the complete documentation. And if you open the code, you can see everything is in here, all the source and the files in here. In the source, we don't have a complete source code, it's just a TypeScript file. And in the dist folder, we have all the required files that we want to publish. So now you have this completely published npm package with your name on it. We started with the bad code, and each episode we created new files which handles one single thing, a better architecture. You learn so many patterns, and finally you created a ready to publish, and you have published your first npm package. So that was the journey, and that was component engineering. Thank you for taking this course. Now you can go and build something amazing, and you can find the source code in the description.